Back to you.
Alright, so until the mode is free drift, I will, for you, continuously verify for everyone. For humanity, Megan. Grapple fixtures within the capture volume in the camera view.
Copy.
And dot within capture corridor nested corridors. And no exceeding limits violation.
After that, I'm ready to maneuver.
A little bit more here. Right. And I'm going to let you move just so that you're not surprised.
Okay.
Approach. Here's the station 2 for a video approach. Let's go, Megan.
Okay, here I go. Happy.
Let's see a good ramp up for now. 5 meters. Great, 4.5. Perfect. 4 meters.
4 meters.
Where you at?
I'm ready for free drift.
Great. Going 3 meters.
Copy 3 meters.
And set. It's a little bit longer than the same. 2.5 meters.
2.5.
2 meters.
2 meters.
For free drift.
Copy free drift.
1.5 meters. Go for approach free drift.
Go for approach.
Everything looking great, Megan. They both stable. You're doing good.
Copy.
1 meter.
1 meter.
Right, let's slow down a little bit. Don't slow down too much.
Copy.
I think I gave you 1 meter. Now we're approaching 2 pins.
2 pins.
Everything's looking right. Good. 3.5. Perfect. 1 pin.
1 pin, I'm go.
I am go. I concur. The home stretch. Straight in. And we're over the pin.
Over the pin. Trigger.
Yes.
Capture close.
Yes. I'm ready.
Lost extend.
Okay, capture close blue. I got it here.
Carriage is moving.
Tension is building up already. Position is increasing. 14, 15, 16, 17.
Safe.
Driving. Beautiful, Megan. This button. Right there.
Yes.
Okay, now it's
1400, 1800, now it's coming up fast. 2800, 31. So
31.
tension is good. Retract.
Yes, by the way, I told you I was going to miss it. I did.
Retract is blue.
Alright, retract is blue. Now
So
the latch.
latch.
Not moving yet.
Okay, latch is blue.
Alright. Position hold is orange. On your
Affirmative.
you can take the safety switch to on.
Safing is on.
Verify safety on. Notify here M2 capture complete. You can notify me that the capture is
Capture's
complete.
complete.
Thank you, Megan.
Alright.
And go for this post or whatever you want.
Houston Station on Spacer Ground 2. Cygnus capture is complete. You are go for Cygnus post-capture reconfig.
Congratulations. Briefing has begun back in ISS.
Thanks, Leslie. On behalf of the Expedition 65 crew, I'm pleased to bring the Cygnus spacecraft SS Ellison Onizuka aboard the International Space Station today. Our congratulations go out to the combined teams from Northrop Grumman and NASA for the mission successes so far. This mission enables groundbreaking research through which we hope to meet Colonel Onizuka's challenge to enable the next generation to look out from a higher plateau.
Nice.